You know that old piece of chewing gum that you left out on the counter? Yes, the one that used to be juicy and delicious, but now it's dry, stiff, and one chomp away from cracking a molar. That is just like the soft tissue of your muscles. Hi, I'm Dr. Sandra Doman, chiropractor and yoga doc in Miami. When you stop moving or you keep doing the same boring movements over and over, your soft tissue turns hard, like the gum that you left out on the counter. Stiff, brittle, and ready to snap like Aunt Karen's hamstring at Thanksgiving pickleball. Here's the thing. Your juicy muscles are meant to move. They're squishy, springy, and hydrated. But modern life is the perfect recipe for turning your elastic body into rock-hard chewing gum. You sit, you scroll, you forget to warm up, then you pick up a suitcase or carry a toddler like a CrossFit sandbag and bam, there goes your back. But here's the good news. You can fix it. Just like putting that old chewing gum back in your mouth and slowly chewing it back to life, your body can soften when you move it well. No need for fancy machines, torture devices, or 6 a.m. boot camps with names like the Glute Death 2000. So let me show you one of the best ways to chew your gum again during the day. It is called the hip hinge, and no, it is not a dating app for physical therapists. Here's what you're going to do. You're going to stand like a human with your feet about hips distance apart. You're going to line up the outer borders of your feet like skis. You're going to allow some of the weight to drift back into your heels without collapsing down in through your knees. And from here, with your hands, you're going to press into your hips and you're going to allow the hips to drift just a few inches back by the ankles. If you're doing it correctly, you're going to start to feel a pulling and stretching sensation into the hamstrings, the back booty area, and a little bit into your back muscles, where you're stretching and strengthening at the same time, like chewing hard gum, like I'm trying to twerk, but I am in my 40s kind of move. And that's it. So when we gently use this motion repetitively during the day, not just exercise, we do this to brush our teeth, wash our face, pick up car keys, change a diaper, pick up a shoe, whatever it may be. You're going to be chewing your hard tissue and make it soft on the back side of your body again. You don't need to kill yourself with 2 or 3 mega stretch sessions per week at the gym to feel better. It's just these little micro movements, this little hip hinge without the knee collapse all day. You need a smart movement, you need better habits, and somebody who actually knows how to fix the human body without turning you into a human pretzel. So come see us at Miami Sports Chiropractic and Yoga Center. We'll help you make the tight, stiff chewing gum nice and elastic again. And if you like it, share it with a friend and like our video. I'm Dr. Sandra Doman, chiropractor and yoga doc in Miami.